Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated Fujifilm X-E5. This camera promises to be a game-changer for photography enthusiasts, offering a blend of classic design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. Sensor and image quality. The Fujifilm X-E5 is rumored to feature a groundbreaking 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5 HS BSI sensor. This sensor, coupled with the powerful X Processor 5, is expected to deliver exceptional image quality, with stunning detail, low noise, and wide dynamic range. Autofocus and performance. Fujifilm's X-E5 continues the brand's legacy of exceptional autofocus performance, featuring an advanced hybrid autofocus system that seamlessly combines phase detection and contrast detection technology. This system is designed to cover a significant portion of the frame, ensuring fast and precise focus, even for off-center subjects. The inclusion of cutting-edge subject detection further elevates its capabilities, enabling effortless tracking of people, animals, and moving objects. This feature excels in challenging lighting scenarios, offering reliability and versatility for diverse shooting environments. Additionally, the X-E5 is rumored to deliver impressive burst shooting speeds, making it an ideal choice for capturing fast-moving action, whether it's sports, wildlife, or dynamic street photography. The incorporation of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, enhances its low-light performance, allowing photographers to shoot handheld without compromising sharpness or image quality. This makes the X-E5 a robust tool for photographers seeking precision, speed, and stability in a compact and portable package. Video capabilities. For videographers, the X-E5 promises to be a versatile tool. It's expected to support 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second, as well as Full HD 1080p at up to 240 frames per second for stunning slow-motion footage. Fujifilm's renowned film simulation modes will also be available for video, allowing you to achieve cinematic looks straight out of the camera. Design and ergonomics. The X-E5 is rumored to retain the classic rangefinder-style design that the X-E series is known for. It's expected to feature a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, making it durable and reliable in various shooting conditions. Despite its compact size, the X-E5 is rumored to offer a comfortable grip and intuitive controls. Connectivity and battery life. The X-E5 is expected to offer a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C, and HDMI. It's also rumored to feature dual SD card slots, providing flexibility and redundancy for storage. Battery life is a crucial factor for any camera, and the X-E5 is expected to offer improved battery performance compared to its predecessor. This means you can capture more photos and videos on a single charge. Release date and price. While Fujifilm hasn't officially announced the release date or pricing for the X-E5, rumors suggest that it may be released in late 2025. The price is expected to be higher than its predecessor, reflecting the significant upgrades and features. The Fujifilm X-E5 is shaping up to be an exciting camera that offers a compelling blend of classic design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance. Whether you're a passionate photographer or a budding videographer, the X-E5 has the potential to elevate your creative vision. Stay tuned for more updates on the Fujifilm X-E5 and other exciting camera news.